12 principles of psychology in English. 1. Don't sit with complainers. They won't spare you either. 2. In life, whatever you want will not come easily. 3. Only you can change your life, no one else. 4. Stay away from those who do not respect you. 5. Betrayal always comes from those close to you. 6. When you love someone excessively, they tend to drift away. 7. Some people are with you only for their needs. Once the need is over, the relationship ends. 8. Learn to live alone, not depending on others. 9. In the end, we become memories and stories. 10. Wisdom is not forcing people to stay with you. 11. Do not risk your money and respect for someone else. 12. You cannot break those who are already broken.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.